CooleyCorp, a leader in specialized construction services, leverages cutting-edge technology to streamline complex projects. From hospital renovations to the installation of critical medical equipment, precision is paramount. With the power of AI, ChatGPT integrates seamlessly into CooleyCorp's operations. Project management becomes more efficient, communication is optimized, and important decisions are guided by data-driven insights. By utilizing ChatGPT, CooleyCorp automates administrative tasks, improves accuracy in reporting, and ensures every project milestone is met on time. Whether it's tracking industry trends or managing financials, ChatGPT provides real-time solutions. At CooleyCorp, innovation is at the core of construction excellence. With ChatGPT, every project is smarter, faster, and more reliable.